Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Nasim once again. And in this video, I'm going to talk about digital product. So how you can get the idea for creating your digital product business. First of all, I just want to show you my digital store, product store, right? So this is my digital product store where I am selling my service-based product on my digital product store. Okay, so this is my own domain and this is my own website, and I am using the platform called Fourth Wall. Wise is also provide the print on demand, so that's why I also added some print on demand. Just forget it for now. So this is actually the digital product. So you can see this is my conversion tracking service, and this is 300 plus CRO mastery checklist. This is a Excel sheet, and this is another digital product where I will set up your digital product business within 30 days. So this is actually copy my business. So if you want, I will copy my business for you. If you want, you can check this one. Okay, now this is the service based product that I made for selling as a digital product. But if you want to make your own digital product, and if you have a skills like me that I have actually on Google Analytics and conversion tracking, so if you don't have the experience like me, then you can go on Etsy. Okay, so this is Etsy, a biggest marketplace where you will get any kind of print on demand digital product, etc. Like, it's a pretty big marketplace. So for case how we can get the idea, so you can just browse their categories. So digital product, if I show you, so it's they call actually digital download. This guy is selling 10 million Etsy digital product, MRP and PLR, only just 93 cents. So this kind of digital product is really sellable. They are selling, and this guy is selling 100,000 digital product idea. Okay, so actually this kind of digital product, it could be a planner, it could be the diet plan, it could be some template, it could be the photos like this, like any kind of digital product that you can get idea. It could be ebook, Excel sheet, Canva template. So whatever idea you have, that you can sell. And one interesting thing that I want to tell you guys, this PLR type of product is resellable. Okay, you can pick anyone, like within $99, like within $5 you can pick the 5 product from them, and you can re-upload and rebranded that product. So that is pretty cool. Like, so that's why actually digital product selling business is now going to popular. And you can see this guy is selling mock-up. So it is very good. If I show you the this product is really selling or not, so by the top reviews you can see this product already got 30k plus review. This product editable self-care journal. So this is actually a digital product template, already got 4.1 review, and this guy is selling 7.99. So this kind of product actually really sellable, and you can buy one time and you can sell unlimited time. So you just need to create your own brand. Okay, so another idea that I want to mention, it doesn't mean that you, if you buy the product, you have to sell it on Etsy, because Etsy also not available for every country. So how we can get the, how you can sell? Okay, so you can purchase some product from Etsy and you can make a website like this, and you can upload your product on your website and you can resell it. And if you make video and publish in on every social media, Facebook, Google, like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, whatever you like, if you published video regularly, your when your video will go viral, you will get free traffic from social media. And this is the automated business model. You don't need to spend the again effort on your website and the product. Just build one time and then make content every day. And this kind of business you can start if you are complete beginner. And this is actually the idea that I wanted to show you guys. So there are a lot of idea on the internet. You don't need to just learn more and more. Just pick one thing and take action and be consistent and do hard work. You will be a successful businessman, I believe. So if you are new to this channel, definitely you can subscribe. And if you are already did, I really appreciate that. So see you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.